Welcome back to Fallacy February with 90-Second Philosophy and Carneades.org. Today we're going to be continuing with Fallacies of Relevance, looking at the Fallacy of Accident. Now, the Fallacy of Accident goes as follows. Basically, it's attempting to use a rule to cover a specific case that is in fact the exception to that rule. It's basically applying a general rule to a case that it doesn't actually apply to. It's the opposite of hasty generalization, and you should just think of the exception to the rule when you're trying to remember what the fallacy of accident is. Let's take a look at a couple examples. So, the First Amendment allows for you to say anything. That's my general rule. Therefore, you can yell fire in a crowded theater. Unfortunately, this argument is not correct because that's actually one of the exceptions to the First Amendment, that you can't yell fire in a crowded theater, so it commits the fallacy of accident. Property should always be returned to its rightful owner, a general rule. Therefore, you should give the angry frat boy that is threatening another frat boy his knife back. This would probably be an exception to the rule of property always being returned to its rightful owner. So it commits the fallacy of accident. And finally, in English, I always come before E. Therefore, receive should be spelled R-E-C-I-E-V-E. Of course, here the exception to the rule is but not after C. That was the fallacy of accident. Also today, check out tautology. Yesterday we had ad hominem and exportation. Tomorrow we'll be looking at the straw man fallacy and rules of replacement answers 2. Watch a new video every single day for 100 days here at Carneades.org and stay skeptical, everybody.